It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day. Cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear. No fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing their silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts.
What is that? What's up? What is all going on? Harrison, this is definitely financial advice. That's right. We need it. We need it. Sherry, what's happening? Thank you, Sherry. I'm eating a Nutty Bar. Shout out Nutty Bar Trading. I just went on a 6-mile bike ride. Ashley Elder, thank you so much. Coach Fred in the house. Francis. Corey. Took you all day to hit your $100 profit on My Funded Futures from that horrible gold show. Oh, you battled back all day. That is exhausting, man. Isn't that exhausting? Thank you, Coach Fred. It was a gift. Thank you. Yeah. I'll wear it. Any free clothes, I'll wear it. I don't care what it looks like. Felt like you were on the wrong side of every damn trade. Yeah. I know that feeling all too well. Sorry guys, I'm sending out an email here. Traded 007. What is up? Tensors 369. What is up? What is up? Still feels like up, but time will tell. No kidding, Nate. Kind of a wild day. We left this gap. Let's talk about it. We got about 5 minutes for the market open. We left this gap. Red candles says we are definitely filling this gap here. Definitely filling it. 100%. He's wrong. Typical YouTuber. No. Crazy. I think we do fill it, but we just don't know when, right? We ended up breaking out of that opening gap last night and never looked back. Just grinded higher. Gold, all-time highs, pushed up. Rug pulled just before 4,000. Absolutely wild. So I'm going to be watching gold tonight. YM, kind of a different story. YM, market open and absolutely just rug pulled, pushed down about, let's see, about, why is it not showing? 400 points and came back in and then consolidated right about in the middle of the range. I'm just eyeballing it here. So, absolutely wild. How'd you guys do today? I had a pretty good day. Pretty good day. The Tradeday affiliate cup thing. No bueno. It's completely in my head. The whole thing on the Tradeday affiliates on Twitter and all this stuff. It's completely in my head. The BDH, I am up around 16,000 something. The BDH tournament. And my funded futures, I finished a nice solid kind of a base hit day with the 4 core accounts. And on the brand new pro account, right here, I made 2,182. So this is the brand new pro account on day 1. That is a funded account. So not bad. But yeah. John Walk. Clear reactions at London and Asia highs today. Yeah, Coach Fred, for sure. Disciplined trader. What's up? Well, I got a 50K Tradeify pass today and 100K take profit trader and Bealonox 50K. Let's go. Using code PINE. Bealonox, take profit trader, and Tradeify. Use code PINE, and look, he passed them all. Just saying. Like I said earlier, shout out Nutty Bar for sending me some Nutty Bars. That's his thing. Yeah, thank you, Nate. So I'm sitting in. Did you see the leaderboard? It's at $57,000. Someone in first place, $57,000. What is up, Corey? Mo, bro. Chris B. Try not to chew in you guys' ear here. Market's gonna open in 30 seconds. See what happens on this account here. Is everyone full porting the BDH? Oh yeah, I was. 10 minis. Yeah, Peter, what is up? Kenny, smash that like button. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Let's do it. Only one chat tonight. I'm doing an experiment. See if it makes a difference. Only one stream, no mobile stream. One trade a day, you didn't know we're getting it. Oh, on the BDH tournament? 1.5k is great, Peter. Yeah, someone was in the chat was like, or on Twitter was like, oh, I'm up 7,000 and like I don't feel like I can win or something. Like I'm like 7,000 in a day, like that is crazy. So I was up $28,000 today at one point and ended up slipping back down to 16,000. So, kind of crazy. I actually made a huge chunk on a gold trade, 10 minis. I mean, it's completely unrealistic trading, right? The whole tournament thing. It's completely unrealistic. Trading on tilt, what is up? Sure, Legends has seen new biz like this. No, for sure. I never even knew what Legends was. Think the next one will have rules? Yeah. I mean, it's one reset. 10 minis. I mean, the one thing is like, you know, I feel you, but like everyone's kind of playing by the same rules in a way. I mean, it's still not easy. I don't know. I mean, 57,000 is amazing. Not really sure how they did it. Legends had a broken dashboard for 8 months. You stuck to 3 cons, 1 trade a day? Yeah. No, I mean, the thing about it is that, you know, you want to just practice good trading anyway. And, like, I definitely, like, was hopping in stuff like, and holding on to stuff that, like, that I probably shouldn't have. And, you know, once I was up, I was just like, you know, that was the thing. That's what ended up hurting me in the long run is I was up pretty big and ended up just bag holding a trade. Ended up trying to trade my way out of it. I posted it right here. Posted it on the Discord. I did put a good morning. I hate these tournaments. And then you can see right here, I was up pretty good. Oh, maybe not 28,000, but pretty. I was up there. As you can see, this was unrealized gain right here. I was bag holding a short. I had a great start and then I screwed it up. But I'm still in it, so we'll see what I can do tomorrow. I'm gonna ease off it tonight. I'm not gonna. Guys, I was up trading it last night. It was ridiculous. I was up trading that, and I was up trading that Tradeday affiliate cup thing, the influencer cup. I can't trade the influencer cup till Monday. I ended up blowing both the resets. But had a great day. Hit 50% on, or I hit my consistency target on trade day. Let me pull up my trade day accounts. So guys, I'm trading 3 trade day accounts. This is the way my affiliate cup should be looking after 2 days, but so I'm up 1,753. Just kind of hitting the base hits consistency wise. Hopefully I can get these 3 passed. I got 3 of them going. These are the end of day accounts, so hopefully we get 3 trade day accounts. If you guys are interested in trade day, get daily payouts, use code PINE with a capital P. I really appreciate it. Because of you guys, this is the reason why I'm in this affiliate influencer cup, so I do appreciate that. But I am blowing it. Hey Rhonda, what is up? What is going on? They got 57,000. Same way bad poker play goes all in every hand. They may win a ton of pots, but they're still bad poker play. Yeah, this is gonna be the key design tomorrow. Like, we're gonna see the leaderboards possibly change. If that same person comes in and says, "Oh, I'm up, $100,000 tomorrow," then I'm gonna be like, "What the heck?" They could have got lucky again, but we'll see. I mean, they might just be not an insane trader. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt, but we'll see. I don't know. That's a crazy good day. Good for them. Worked for Chris Moneymaker in 2003. I used to watch the World Series of Poker. It was fun. All right, NASDAQ. Sitting on the VWAP here. 189. I ended up catching a beautiful trade today. I caught the top on the BDH tournament after messing my account up. Right here. Ended up catching a short at 251 right here, and took it off at 197, right around 200. Once I started hitting around 200, I started peeling them off. Originally I was looking for the VWAP, which was down there at like 170 something, but yeah, I caught that beautiful trade in the BDH to get back in the game. So John, you short? Good luck. Last 2 nights market rallied after the open. Let's see if it reverts tonight. Good call on that. So, thinking about taking an ORB break, possibly. Let's see, when am I gonna go in? I'm looking for $100 across the core accounts. I am stacked to the gills with my funded future accounts. I ended up getting rebuild, and I haven't really been caring much about trading them, and they're just kind of slowly grinding up. Imagine that. The pro accounts. One pro account I'm working on, and let's see, one core eval. This one's passed. This pro eval's passed, but I'm currently sitting at 5 funded, so can't have any more than 5 funded with my funded futures. George, what is up? This thing isn't going down ever. I know. Mango gold shooting up. It is. Look at that. Are we going to 4,000 tonight? Is gold going to 4K tonight? Little inside bar here. Hopping in along here. Off the inside bar. The inside bar. Micros. I'm in micros. These are funded accounts. How long did I take to see my pro account after I passed? With my funded futures or take profit trader? My funded futures, it was, I don't know. Yeah, pretty much, I don't know. That later that night wasn't that long. It wasn't instant. It wasn't like as soon as the market opened, but it was later that night. Mango, you long? Good luck. Gold's going crazy. Oh, it's gonna go to 4,000, right? Investors, what is up, Keegan? New all-time highs on gold. Let's go. Skylit, what is up? Good to see you. I'm long some micros in the old NASDAQ here. Keeping an eye on gold as well. Boy, rejecting there at what, 397 and a half.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go long on gold on the trade day evals. Long NASDAQ, long on gold. Long at 391.9. Oh. Fuck.
Order filled.
I couldn't get my screen back. I clicked off it, couldn't get it back. Alright, made a quick 254 on that gold trade. Across those 3 trade days. Holy cow, I just fumbled my screens. I couldn't click off it and I couldn't click back on it and it was stuck down in the bottom there. Yo, Tony. How did I do in the BDH battle? I'm up 16,000 something. Yeah, I'm sitting in like the top 50, but the leader's at 57,000, which is insane. Red candles did good today. 8,000 something. That's great. What's up, Red? What's up? So quick little scalp on the gold. I think we go to 4,000. %, say we're going to 4,000. Got 19%. It says we're gonna rug pull everyone thinking we're going to 4,000. So up 254 across the 3 trade day accounts. Currently down on this MNQ trade. These are funded accounts here. I'm not gonna let them slip too bad. Maybe NASDAQ continues with a little push down. Maybe we actually go and attempt to fill the gap. The red candles guarantee. Down here at 994, 93. $8,800, nice. That's a great day. This is a great day. Yeah, right, Red. Yeah, I know. You just see that more and more often, where it just takes off and leaves that gap from the Globex and says nope. Starts squeezing everyone. Okay, because I passed one tonight in scale accounts I used to get at market open. Oh, cool net, Bubba. Yeah. How's it going? Oh, long mall. Silver and feeder cattle, lean hogs, just long everything. It's just a bull market overall, just long it all. Ooh, guys, we can do a giveaway tonight. Let's go. Let's go. All right, awesome guys. I can give away. Oh, I just lost the email. I'm fat fingering on my. Let's go. I can give away a. Let me get the set up here. A 50K Tradeday intraday account. Let's go. Cody, what is up? I just made a trade on gold. Yeah, I was in and out. Made 254 on trade day. Just made a quick little scalp there. And check your R Trader Pro web P&L photo. Oh, I will, Nate. Oh, wow, Nate. I gotta get on board with them, too. I gotta get on board with them. The old Phidias. Anyone trade tick straight to funded? I don't personally, Sherry, but yeah, I'm sure someone does. Thank you for the sub, whoever that was. Zaid, what is up? What is up? Sorry, I missed some of the chat there. TJP, what is up, everyone? Donovan McNabb. Donovan McNabb, I believe I used to see you in Cove's chat a lot, right? I'm gonna go Nebaba. I'm gonna go 3 minis always in the pro account. Make 200,000, yeah, on the pro. Yeah, nice. Am I in the BDH challenge? I am. Yeah, I'm about 16,000. In everyone's chat? Let's go, Donovan. Yeah, I seen you around. I'm in everyone's chat too. Tony! Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys. If you want to join the Trade Day giveaway for a 50K intraday account. Let's go. $57. That is a great day, TJP. $7,000, nothing to be ashamed about. I was full porting all day, 10 minis, like a madman. I'm exhausted. $57,000 is in first place. That is absolutely insane. So it's not how you start, it's how you finish, right? So we'll see. Chances are I could be blown by tomorrow. Can you still join? Yes, I believe you can. It's Legends Trading if you guys want to check it out. Typically will pop up here through 200. I'm in the baby micros here. On these funded core counts. I'm just looking to try to make $100 tonight. I'm working on getting Another payout. You're in 3 minis? Let's go. 7K, yeah, 130% gain in literally hours. Yeah, like I was saying like earlier, TJP, is like, yeah, once I got up in the buffer, like I screwed up mine too. Like on the Discord, you could see where, like I was up. Let's see, I was up 24,478 bucks, basically, 24,500 bucks, and I got caught in a bag hold trade because it's not realistic trading, right? I'm just trying to send it, and there it is, right there. You can see this unrealized drawdown. I was in. I posted on the Discord. I said, "Yeah, I'm screwing up my great start to the BDH." So I had a great start going, but then I screwed it up. Back holding that short as it's grinding higher, and I'm like, oh, this is stupid. If only I would have went long. Yeah. Yeah, right, TJP. All right, so we are long basically off this first inside bar here. Kind of get a little bit of a, possibly maybe an ORB break. This could play out to be kind of a bear flag, but the market is overall bullish, so we'll see. I'm just looking, if we can just pop up here around 200 or so, I'll be happy. Absolutely, TJP. That's the best thing to do when you guys are trading these tournaments. You know, you still want to try to practice good trading. You know, it's great practice. It's great practice by using size, and you know it's cheap, and some of them are free, especially with Ninja Trader. So Ninja Trader is going to be micros. It's going to be a micro only stream challenge. So competition. So that should be interesting. The first one, Terry trades when she finished 7th, the Ninja Trader one. It was a very much a similar competition like this one. You know, it was like over 1,000 people, and she ended up using 5 minis. You were allowed 5 minis. So, which is, and there was a lot of volatility too at that tournament. I kind of screwed up my count on these micros, so I'm gonna have to kind of manually stop for the most part. Let's see if I do 12, something like that. Stop is at the low. Let's see, I was pulling up the old Tradeday. Let's see. That's where we're kind of promoting the old Tradeday tonight. So guys, Tradeday, a lot like Take Profit Trader. Daily payouts, anything over the buffer. A little bit cheaper than Take Profit Trader as well. So, you know, give them a shot. All in costs, 30% no activation fee when you use code PINE with a capital P. And yeah, get those daily payouts. sweet once you get to that point. Not easy, but sweet when you get to that point. I'm working on getting some more myself. All right, not looking good on this NASDAQ trade. Gold's taking off. Oh man, it didn't get to 4,000. You got to be kidding me, right? This is going, right? $3,999. I'm flat NASDAQ. I'm long gold. Micros. Off the VWAP bounce here, looking to take out 4,000. Trade day's your kryptonite. It was for me too, Corey, till like last month, and then I ended up getting a payout. I've only gotten one payout with them, $500. That's it. I'm not. They still owe me some tuition. I'm not in the hole with them too much, but definitely more than $500 worth. So I'm coming for you, trade day. I'm gonna get my tuition back. How does My Funded Future Core work, Brian? Pretty simple. Pretty much all the My Funded Future accounts, the scale and the cores, it's 5 days of $100 or more, and you can qualify for a payout. The core account is 50% consistency, so say you need to make $3,000 with a 50K account. You can't have more than $1,500 a day when you're trying to pass the eval, but after you pass the eval, there's no consistency once funded. The core account is 5 days of $100 or more, and you can take a payout. So let's say, and the max payout is $1,000. So let's say you make $1,200 or so, or $1,100, right? $1,100 in 5 days, and you had 5 days of $100 or more, you can take out $1,000. It'll blow your account because you'll have no more buffer, but you can actually withdraw into the buffer. So when is the giveaway? Later, just before the stream ends, usually around 7:45 Eastern time. One point away on gold. Yeah, I know. We're gonna run it, right? This is very much an I think trade. I'm only in the micros, so. All right, taking a look at gold book map here. It's not showing the 4,000 level on this screen, so. I don't know, we'll see if we can get the pop. We're getting a little drop here, a little rug pull once again. I might have got faked out. Wish I had a short MNQ. Yeah. I'm glad I got out of that trade, but then I got in this gold trade, and I think John's still short. Yeah, nice little bear flag break here. See if we can hold through this drawdown a little bit. Getting a push, filled that gap. Let's push it up through. Back, trying to get it back above the VWAP on the gold. Yes, thank you for the reminder, John. I know, F gold, John. I mean, design. Sorry, design says. Even in micros, it can hurt. He blew 30 evals trading gold. I know. You know it's gonna run it, but probably not till Tokyo Open, right? Go NASDAQ pushing down. Silver up to $48.41. Crazy. Pushing, looking like it wants to go to 50. If you look at the daily chart on silver, absolutely mooning. Any silver traders out there? Look, NASDAQ pushing down. Come on, gold. Fill the gap at 28. Could happen. We also have the open gap down here at 98. 93. Seems like a stretch, but it could happen. Gold not cooperating. Ah. I'm gonna have to get out of this gold trade. Rug pulled. All right, gold. Kind of rug pulling at that 4,000 again. Ooh, NQ really pulling back now. I'm glad I'm in the micros with the gold, because right now it would be hurting bad. Not so high, but gotta go to the gappy gap. Yeah, could, yeah, for sure. Came down to your stop loss, and then it's 3 minis, Net Baba. Yeah, that'll get you for sure. Oil's dumping as well. All right, I'm gonna have to get out of this gold trade, I think. Tommy says keep going. New 15-minute opening up in about 5 seconds. All right, let's see. Gold looking like it wants to push back down here. Doesn't want to go to that 4,000. Not yet, anyway. Got a 40 lot sitting down there at 82. Check out Nasdaq. Nasdaq pushing down, pushing lower. New session lows 154.25. Do we finally get that continuation? Got 282. Let's go. JD54. Let's go. Alright, I'm out of this trade. Damn it. Yeah, I'm out. Alright, down 572 on that funded, 402 on those fundeds. I'm not going to beat them up anymore. Those are done for now. I'm going to just switch to an eval. That sucks. I did that with micros too. I screwed it up that bad with micros. Oh well. We'll switch to take profit trader eval. I got going. I got this one passed. Let me flip this account here real quick. Let's see. I'm just gonna flip this account for a day traded. Days traded. Okay, and switch to this account. So that sucks. Oh well. Let's play around with this eval. A million micros? Yeah, right. Exactly, a million micros. Let's see, I gotta take off. It's 362. Trying to long here. Two minis. Stop at 159. Looking for like a 1-to-1, so maybe like $300. Maybe a little pop to the VWAP. It's on an eval. The inside buy. Gold taking out paper hands? Possibly, yeah. Definitely feels like it. Inside bar on gold. Double bottom on gold. Almost got stopped out there. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. I'm giving away a 50K trade day intraday account. Look at gold go now. You called it. Pulling back, retesting that inside bar here. I'm going to go long on gold once again. Stopped out of that NASDAQ trade. Back in this gold long here. See if we can get a pop above the VWAP here. NASDAQ pushing back down, making new session lows. Come on, gold. Am I still in the BDH contest? I am. I'm up 16,000 something. Pro fast guy. Do I remember my first live stream trade? No, I don't. I remember my first trade, but not my first live stream. Yeah, I remember my first futures trade, for sure. NASDAQ pushing lower. Up 969. Nice. Nice start. I might be trading it pretty soon. I'm screwing up all my accounts. Top 20 on the Tradeday. Oh. Oh, on the affiliate thing, the influencer cup thing. Yeah, I blew those. Yeah, I'm probably 20th now. I'm probably in last. Yeah, I've been full porting it, Pro Fast Guy. I've been full porting those. Hasn't been paying off. Yeah, I ended up blowing my resets today. Are we buying this dip in NASDAQ? I don't know. Not at this point. Well, the outside bar really just kind of rug pulled it. The outside bar here really worked good. I did not take it, unfortunately. All right, let's see if it gets this little pump in gold. Could be a bear flag. Don't know. Been trading Asia very well, Coach Fred. Let's go. Shame on me. Yeah, I know, Pro Fast Guy. Oh well. Kind of regret doing it, but I did it because they were gonna give me accounts to give away to you guys and things like that, so that's why I'm doing it. And it's 5 weeks, so I still got 3 weeks left. Oh wow, John, 300 left and drawdown. Yeah, for sure. But NASDAQ just feels heavy, don't it? I'm short NASDAQ. Long gold. Have I been to Bar Harbor? Yeah, I used to spend summers up there. Yeah, Bar Harbor is great. Acadia National Park. Up in Maine. Bar Harbor. Yeah, my Funded Futures course still $73. Yeah, use code PINE if you guys want to use my code on My Funded Futures. I appreciate it. Judah Barak, thank you so much for the sub. Oh, nice, John. Yeah, that's awesome. Especially the spring. If you guys want to join the giveaway, ! PINE in the chat. We're gonna do a 50K intraday trade day account. So we're gonna do a moose race here in probably about 45 minutes. We are short NASDAQ. We are long gold. NASDAQ looking weak. It's intraday. Yeah. My trading day was overall pretty good. Yeah, it's not going so good tonight, but it was overall pretty good. It was a gift. Yeah, it was North Star's hockey jersey. It was a sweatshirt. It was a gift. Yo, what's up, Cranston White? Not much of a hockey fan, but Tim Korth, what is up? Oh, no problem. Jason, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Can I take down the BDH? Gonna try. I'm trying. 10 minis. G-Cart, what is up? Thank you for the sub. Trying to break the lows here. See if NQ can make new session lows. Gold being stubborn. Doesn't want to take out that 4,000 yet. Kamikaze in the house. Thank you so much for the sub. All right, the NASDAQ trade's working, but gold is being stubborn. Gold's got me in trouble again tonight. Hey, Neil, what is up, man? What's good? What's up, my friend? Yeah, it has been a minute. What is up? All right. Still in one contract here. How do I like Take Profit Traders? It's one of my favorites. Yeah, Pro Fast Guy for sure. Yeah, daily payouts. That's the model. That's the creed. If you guys listen to my theme song at the beginning of the stream. Daily payouts, rap song. Yeah, no, I love it. I love Tradeday, and Take Profit Trader. Both have daily payouts. Once you get over the buffer, the 50Ks, once you get over a $2,000 buffer, you take daily payouts. Yeah, for sure. You see money, take money, especially with NASDAQ, right? Gold, currently down 330 on this one trade. In one mini, not looking good. NASDAQ kind of holding up my account here. But could get a bounce here in NASDAQ. I took one off down here at the lows, but feeling heavy. Hopefully we get a little gold bounce. The gold short at 988.6, but kind of flagging out. Still looking for that pump to 4,000. Apex is sell 1970s. How do I pass 50 core 50Ks tonight? Probably trading gold if you wanted to do it quick, but not financial advice, by the way. Jason, how do you participate in the giveaway? Exclamation point pine in the chat. That's all you gotta do. And then we'll do a moose race in about 40 minutes or so, 35 minutes. Oh, the Nikkei? Oof, I guess the Nikkei's been moving, right? Someone was telling me the Nikkei was moving. Yeah, the Nikkei might be play to try to get in on that leaderboard. Just fade Steve, my funded future TV. Coach Fred, yeah. Oh yeah, the Japan, yeah, Japan markets were moving, right? Up 5% today. This is a Minnesota North Stars hoodie. Old school. I guess it became the Dallas Stars. I'm not a big hockey fan, so I'm not 100% sure on that, but they moved. Oh, the Pats? Yeah, what a game, though, Pro Fast Guy. What a good game. Finally, I did not have any faith in that kicker. I thought they were going to miss that field goal at the end. The Patriots. Like, I thought for sure. Torch Race husband. What's up? Quebec Nordics. Interesting. What's up, Chef Chris? Yeah, nice day, like summer weather, right? Oh, the Bills are really good. They're going to be good. That was a good game. That was a big game for the Patriots, though. Definitely a big game. Miami's not doing so well. Jets not doing so well. So it's definitely between the Patriots and the Bills in the AFC East. Bills are just fine, though. They're a good team. Real good. Getting a little pop off the Harami. Might actually get a little bounce here on NASDAQ. I might actually get out of this trade. What did we come down to? Swap that, 131. Tampa played well yesterday. I don't think I watched them. I did watch a little bit of the Eagles game just because I was at a restaurant and there was a bunch of Eagles fans. And I was watching some of that game. Eagles lost to the Broncos. Tory trades tan lines, and we got Tory trades husband. We have to talk, it says. That's funny. Possibly pro fast guy, yeah. It's kind of thinking we put in this pretty nasty harami here, so I'm debating on just closing this trade out on NASDAQ. Maybe just reset. I don't know, it just feels weak to me though, but we'll see. Yo, Ace, what is up? You had your best day to date? Let's go, Ace. Congratulations. Yo, Scotty. Possibly a bear flag here. That'd be nice. I am long gold, short NASDAQ. Nearly 70K in profit. Let's go. Holy cow. It's like gold might be popping up here. Back in the money on the gold trade. NASDAQ we are short, gold long. Looking for 4,000 on gold, like everyone else. It's gonna take everyone's money before it gets there though. Alright, you're gonna get gold up above that VWAP. Yeah, I'm gonna close out the NASDAQ here. I'm just gonna focus on this gold trade. Alright, we got a little bit of money out of that NASDAQ trade. We ended up taking some off when we swept the lows. We were in two minis. Took the other one off. Kind of at break even. Focusing on this gold trade though. Trying to poke up through that VWAP. Yo, thanks, Scotty. Oh no, Brian. Yeah, you cooked, buddy. I'm sorry. Yeah, you cooked. Unfortunately, it is a hard breach with Take Profit Trader. So, were they funded accounts or evals? Hopefully they were evals. You know, for your sake. Do I ever trade S&P? No, not really. Not at all. Yeah, pretty much just YM, NASDAQ, and gold. I kind of like the NASDAQ long, to be honest, but we'll focus on this gold here. I don't even trade that much gold. I don't know what's gone under my... I don't know. It's just... It's been moving a lot, so it's kind of getting a little addicting, but most of the time I do more damage than good. But I did make a nice gold trade on that BDH tournament today. That's what ended up getting me a good chunk. I was 10 minis in on the gold, and it kind of immediately went my way, which was nice. But full on gamble on the tournament. Alright, can't seem to get above the VWAP yet. New 5-minute candle here. Yeah, Scotty, for sure. You trade S&P with options. Yeah. So I look at the ES, and then I trade the SPX for options, yep. But I haven't done that since I started this tournament either. I haven't even touched my personal account at all. If it pops the VWAP, gold's gonna fly. I hope so. I hope so. Oh, nice. Up 2024. Let's go. Build upon that. Let's get on that leaderboard. 4 more days left. Come on, gold. Let's go. You want gold at 4,000? I'll open up a short right now, Corey says. Exactly, Corey. You know what I want. See if we get that little squeeze. We got some volume up there at 390s. 391, I mean. 391.6, 392. There we go. This is a pop. Thank you, Corey. Thank you for going short. Just got my Funded Pro account. I wonder if I should go long 3, but it's 5 a.m. so I'm wondering. Oh yeah, 3. I don't know. You do you, NetBob, but three gold contracts is definitely wild. I think it's wild that we rug pulled that 4,000 again. I think it's kind of comical in a way. Unfortunately, I did get caught up in it. I should have known better. Sometimes you gotta, when you have a bias like that, it's like you feel like you should just do the opposite of what you think is gonna happen. Because that's what everyone else was thinking as well. So you know the market's just gonna do and try to do as much hurting as possible before it goes. Nice little pop off with Nasdaq off the Harami. 131.25 is the low. Get a little pop up here. Nice little 20-point bounce. Almost. Yeah, about 20-point bounce. No, I'm from Maine, Scotty G. Originally from Maine. Six points from blow-ups. Yeah, not Bubba. I call it. Tomorrow will be another day. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys, if you guys want to join the giveaway. Trade day, 50K, intraday trailing. No activation fee, so, which is a nice, I believe. Actually, you know what? Don't quote me on that. I don't think there's an activation fee, but no activation fees on trade days anyways, is there? Or is that just the promo? Anyways, it's a free eval, so what the heck? Let's see. Yeah, no activation. Hey, what's up, Sports Don? Good to see you, man. All right, Gold, do your thing. Rip some shorts face off. You know, if I was short, you'd go all the way to 4,000. I know it would. You had 40 AMD call options. Expiring 2 years from now. Then the same pump quadruple. Holy cow. Yeah, Ace mentorship. Nice. That's awesome. That's so cool. All right, we're kind of diamond handing it. NASDAQ also kind of pushing up, possibly putting in a bear flag here. Not really sure. Might push up here to 155s, test the VWAP, possibly, but kind of flagging out. So pay attention to that. Going for the bigger win here. There we go. Nice pop. Breaking up through 390, trying to get through 393. 3993. 3,993. See if we can get up to 3,994. Boy, my brain cells are gone. Trading 10 minis all day on that BDH tournament. Gold is fickle, yeah. Currently on a take profit trader. 50K eval. Love to get this one passed. Got this one passed down here. I'm currently pro account list. Inside bar on gold. We're looking good though. I'm gonna place the stop at break even here at 9,886. This is a risk off trade. Currently up 390 on this trade, 400. Only up about $100 on the account though, because we took a bit of a punch from NASDAQ. Sniffing too much of the maple syrup? Yeah, I know. I need this. I need to sniff some. The Nutty Bar's doing the old master cleanse with the lemon juice and the maple syrup. No thank you. All right, let's see if we can push up through there. You're up 1,300 on a session. Let's go. Funded accounts, AI comparison. Well, that's awesome. Let's go. Congratulations. That's a great start to the day. You gonna take it easy? Nice. Smash that like button, guys, for the giveaway. We've been slacking in the likes a little bit. So I'd like to get them up over at least, what, 150 before we do that giveaway. We got 218 people watching. Thank you so much, guys. Let's get those likes up to over 150. Let's show those YouTube algorithms what's up, and we'll give away a Tradeday 50K intraday account. We'll do a moose race. It'll be fun. I got my moose race hat going. Uh, 178 lots sitting up there at 3,998 on gold. You can see up here. The old book map. I might be limitless. Yeah, I don't know. I might just. I mean, I like to check out West, but I feel like I need a break from these markets. I definitely traded too much last night and too much today because of those tournaments. Got me cranked up. But yeah, West is cool. How many counts did I blow? None today. None today. Not yet. Oh, besides the affiliate cup. I blew those affiliate cup accounts, but where did I buy my desk? Amazon. I didn't blow any yesterday either, Captain. If you didn't blow any, you're not trading enough? I know. There's time. There's still time for today. Or technically tomorrow. No, I've been full porting those tournament accounts, so gold still grinding higher. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. If you're not first, you're last. I 100% agree when it comes to those tournaments. Let's see. Online stuff. Get the old moose race fired up. Guys, if please have a trade day. Make sure you qualify to trade with Tradeday. If you don't qualify to trade with Tradeday, then you're shit out of luck. So if you live in a country that you can't can't trade with Tradeday, then I'm sorry. So even if you win the moose race and then you come back to me and say, well, they don't allow my country, then I'm sorry. We're gonna have to rerun it tomorrow. Just because I get that a lot. So I appreciate you guys hanging out, but so if you guys are interested in trade day, exclamation point Pine in the chat. We're gonna give away a 50K intraday trade day account, and if you are trading with them, I appreciate you guys using my code Pine with a capital P for trade day. Is it a short setup on NQ? Let's take a look. Oh yeah, it kind of looks like it, right? Yeah. I like it. I'd take it if I wasn't in this gold right now. Government still shut down? I know. Market loves it. Let's go, Chef Chris. I appreciate you. Also, guys, please sign up for Trade Day. Make sure you have an account. It's okay if you don't do it this second, but because I will be giving you a code to the winner. So yeah, the gold trade's cooking. It's brewing. Hopefully it goes to that 4,000. Well, Nasdaq wants to push up as well. Gold is still pushing up. Gold pine tree? Thanks. Yeah, I don't make many trades on gold, but I like this one. So far, it's working out. Nasdaq pushing higher. Still liking this gold trade. Just gotta let it play out. Is there Project X? Yes, there is. It's Project X with Tradeday. So if you guys do trade with Project X, they do have Project X, which is pretty sweet. Is there a setting drawing half gaps on Tradeday? Oh, yeah, Nate answered that. Legacy chart, fib extensions, modified 50% works. Yeah. Yeah, and if you want a simple fib, you can just do the drawing tool thing too. Right here on the side, the drawing tool, the fib retracements. I just have the 0, 50, and the 100. That's all I don't use fibs, so. But sometimes I'm just looking for like 50% or 100% of the candle, and I just use that. Come on, gold. Get up there. It really sucks to come and get stopped out, but okay, Jonathan Valdez, if you win, then I'll just, we'll run it again. How about that? Thanks for being honest, because most people put in all their alt accounts. Start streaming to watch the Influencer Cup. I think Nutty had it to 10K today. Yeah, he blew the BDH one too. Yeah, he blew his BDH, but he was up pretty good on the Influencer Cup. Never thought of that, Chef Chris. See, I just told everyone that they could use their alt accounts. There's no way for me to stop it, so it's all good. All right, gold kind of hesitating here. Little consolidation here will be okay before the leg higher. I'll be just fine with that. Mine has PW at the beginning of the account name. Hope I'm trading the right contest account. Yeah, for sure. That you are. If you're in the BDH one. You still trying to figure out Tradeday? Nothing like Project X or Volumetrica? Yeah, they are different. I think Tradeday is one of the easier platforms to learn, but with that being said, I've been using it for so long that Project X is very easy. I've never tried Volumetrica. I've never tried the other one, Wealth Charts. I never tried that one either. I haven't tried that one. All right, pushing this gold up. We'll do the giveaway here soon. I'm just trying to focus on this trade, but I guess we can do the giveaway and just let it go. So, we'll give you guys 2 more minutes. 6:48, and we'll run the giveaway. Guys, smash that like button. Let's get those likes up. I'm gonna check the likes. Let's see if we got it up there before we do the giveaway. $137, 218 people watching. Let's get it up over 150, guys. Or no giveaway for you. Alright, let's see here. No soup for you. That's right. Alright, getting a little pullback here. Stops at break even. Still going for that 4,000. Alright, about 15 seconds. I'm going to close the entries. Exclamation point pine in the chat. And we'll run it. That's right, he's pro fast guy. 2 more likes away. Thank you so much. 150. Thank you so much, guys. I know it's dumb, but it does help the YouTube algorithm. It helps put the channel out onto the other people's feeds. And alright. Dennis, thank you so much. Alright, we're closing the giveaways. The giveaway thing. Alright. We'll let Dennis in. Dennis, go ahead and he just subbed. I appreciate the new sub. Alright. Now I'm closing. Alright guys, here we go. There's gonna be a lot of Mises in this race. Let's go. Gotta put my Moose Race hat on. Good luck, everyone. And here we go. Oh, wait. Restart. I only had it on there for 10 seconds. That's no fun. That's no fun. I've been the fastest Moose Race in history. Alright, must be present to win. There we go. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Let's see Kisan on the outside. Must be present to win. Must have a Tradeday account too. So if you guys are banned from Tradeday, then you're shit out of luck. Wandercat on the outside. Kisun still right there. Ohm. I see Lion Spirit. I see George Panos up in the middle. I see Trader 007 hanging out there in the middle. Who's this making a run? 10 seconds here. Who's it gonna be? 9, 8, 7, 6. Hit the NOS. Hit the NOS. Whoa. Sevix Solutions. Sevix Solutions. Are you here? Discord's in the chat too, guys, if you want to join the Discord. Congratulations. Your moose has a bum leg, yeah. Sevix Solutions, you got. Let's go. Congratulations, Sevix. You just won a 50K Take Profit Trader intraday account. Yeah, you're welcome. Are you part of the Discord by chance? You don't have to be, but it's easy for me to. It's free. It's easy for me to message you, but if not, it's fine too. You can be. Let's go. What's your name on Discord? The link's on top of the chat if anyone wants to join the Discord. Congratulations. We'll do some more giveaways this week, I hope. Still in this gold trade here. Thank you, Tradeday, for allowing me to be in the affiliate cup, and also allowing me to, or giving me an account to give away today. So appreciate that. This orange line, this is the VWAP. The VWAP. Yep, that's the VWAP. Sakai 504. Okay, cool. Hold on one sec. Alright, still bouncing off the VWAP. Looking good. I'm liking it. It's just kind of doing its thing. Possibly a bull flag here to make her push up through the highs. That would be nice. Yeah, Sevix, I'll wait for your to join up, and we'll DM. Slide in my DMs. All right, cool, Sevix. Yeah, it might just take a minute, but yeah, I'll get you. All right, gold, come on. All right, gold here at 3,992. NASDAQ pushing down. Nice bear flag break here on NASDAQ. Let's check out NASDAQ here. So it is breaking that bear flag, but boy, it kind of is being stubborn though. Just in NASDAQ to go up. NASDAQ always goes up. Seems like. I think you're in good shape. Plunge protection team. All right, Sevix, I got you. Cool. Send you a DM. And let's see. Just make sure it's not a. Yeah, you can use any platform. There you go, Sevix. Just use that code for 50K trade day intraday account. Congratulations. We'll be giving away more next week as far as trade day accounts go, because while I'm in the competition, I get accounts to give away. So I get one a week. So. Yeah, no problem, Savex. Thanks for tuning in. All right, we're in this gold trade here. Up about 280. I think I'm gonna leave it on. We'll see what happens. What's the drawdown? 5K? Yeah, it's 5K on the BDH. Yep. 5K. Nasdaq pushing down off the bear flag here. Gold trying to push down as well. All right, thanks, Scotty. Appreciate you hanging out. How do I handle discouragement for working towards the first payout? It's not easy. yeah, I mean, definitely not easy. I guess I was just too stubborn to give up. I mean, I never stopped like trying to grind side jobs and stuff either. So like I tried to always have like some income coming in. That was the key. So I didn't really care that much that I didn't have a payout coming financially, but yeah, it's definitely tough. I mean, it took me 3 years to get a payout. I wasn't trading props full time. I was actually trading a personal account, but I did, you know, sprinkle in props. I was trading like Top Step back when they had like 2 steps to pass and all that. It was tough. All right, gold. Asia Open. Let's rip it. Yeah, it was a long time. And then like my first payouts with Apex, my first payout was $4,000, and a few weeks later I got another $4,000, and then I ended up getting like a few weeks later I ended up getting some 150Ks to pay out. So I can't quite remember what that was, but I think it was I had 2 of them. And that was back then. You could withdraw with a $50,000 account with Apex. You made $2,000 or $2,600. You could withdraw $2,000 back then. So, and then yeah, they just kept coming in, and then I ended up like paying off my tuition pretty quickly with props. With the props. NASDAQ continuing like it wants to push down here. Gold trying to hug that VWAP. Kind of liking the NASDAQ short here. A little bit late though. It could hold that low at 131. Gold off the bear flag, pushing lower. See if we actually hold the low of 131.25, or if it busts right through it. If it starts to go towards that low, it could get a little plunge. As of right now, I'm trying to hold it. Yo, scalper, what is up? Made a mistake of trying to short. It's a tough market. Like I kind of wonder, like some people that just maybe started trading, like recently, like in the last 2 weeks or so. Like this market is very, very different. A lot of trend days. A lot of going up. You're looking at the daily chart. It's just absolutely insane. Right? It's just nuts. I mean, you just see it just pushing higher. Like every single day, just pump, 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 pump. Little bit of a little pullbacks. Puts in a bull flag and then just rips. Puts in a bull flag and then rips. Bull flag, rip. You know, it's just over and over. It's just insane. All right, gold. Let's go do it. I like it. Yo, Paul, what is up? So, putting in a little overtime tonight. I'm gonna get off pretty soon, but appreciate you guys hanging out, smashing that like button. We already did the giveaway. We will do more giveaways this week. I am here every single night, 5:45 Eastern time. I usually pop on a little bit early, so just to make sure everything's fired up and ready. So make sure you tune in tomorrow night as well. And if you guys are using Tradeday, Apex, you want to help support this channel, My Funded Futures, Apex, Bulanox, use code PINE, Take Profit Trader. Really helps the channel out. I really appreciate it. NASDAQ. I don't know. Gonna be testing that low here. Let's see if we can hold here. Tech T, what is up? What happened with Lucid? Let's go. Let's hear it. I haven't traded with them yet, so what's up with Lucid? Oh, don't forget Lucid. I'm sorry. I read your message wrong. Yes, Lucid, code PINE as well. Sorry, I read your I don't know why. For some reason it says, I thought it said don't trade Lucid. Yes, Lucid. I am affiliated with Lucid, so please use my code, use my links, my code, all that good stuff. I appreciate it. Seems it wants to cross 4,000. Do you have any insights about profit taking it to the level? I don't know. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. I'm going for that 4,000, but it could be. It's just, you know, kind of dicking around right now, and it just doesn't want to go. Everyone's got their eyes set on this 4,000, so it's just going to be stubborn. It's going to go when you least expect it. That's kind of the way the market works. But once we get up to all-time highs, not really sure how gold will react. Generally. NASDAQ new session lows. Usually what happens with NASDAQ, once you break all-time highs, it just kind of keeps going for a while because there's no support, there's no resistance, and it likes to just keep pushing. Gold, I really don't watch that closely. So when it busts all-time highs, I don't know if it just sweeps and then we'll pull back. I'm not really sure. So I'm just looking for like 4,000, maybe even less. We'll see. Been in this trade for a good amount of time now. So far, it hasn't hit my stop. Been a little lucky. It's holding above that VWAP. The VWAP. Thanks, guys, for joining the Discord. Thank you, LS Funded Scalper. I appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This was an awesome stream. I was feeling a little bit tired, but I didn't trade that well. This is the best trade of the night right now. Up 600 on this trade. I did get beat up on some of the funded accounts of my funded futures. Hopefully I can get it back in New York. But trying to get money back during Asia and Globex is usually a no-no for me. That usually spells disaster. I'm best to wait for New York. But hopefully we can get this take profit trader passed in a few days. Got this one passed here. I'm working on some trade days. Hopefully I can get those passed. And yeah, hopefully I can make another. If I can make another 16 to 20,000 on the BDH tournament tomorrow, that'll make me happy. We'll see how that goes. But 16,800 something, Gilbert. Yeah, right here. Patrick retweeted this too, which is cool. I got like 10 followers off the retweet. You're only at 8,680. No, you're good. That is great. 8,000 bucks. Yes, JD54, correct. Yeah, $1,500 to pass. 1,500 plus 1,500 to pass the core count, and then it's $100 for 5 days. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, the worst part it was, guys, I posted on X. I mean, the Discord is I was up 20. Like almost like, well, I don't even know. Almost 25,000, and then that happened. That was unrealized, but I was bag holding a trade, and the market finally came back down, and I got out. I officially crossed. Yeah, I know, Fred. I know. Yo, Corey, the phone trader in the house. What is up? Up 315 on the funded. Let's go. 1,600 on the fund. Awesome. For the gold insight. Oh, no problem, AI. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'm not the greatest on trading gold, but as you see, I longed here originally. Like here. Kind of should have knew that. I should have known that was gonna happen. But oh well. Look for the NQ bounce. Let's take a look. Yeah, good. I like this. Nice harami. We swept the lows. Nice harami. We could get a little pump. Nice. Look at that bounce off that harami. Harami's been crushing it. Look for little scalps. If you guys are interested, I got videos on my harami candles. Some in the long forms. If you guys want to check those out. Some other videos too. links should be popping up in the chat. I try to keep them kind of brief and quick. There's nothing worse than a long, drawn-out strategy video. I don't know about you, but I hate it. When will gold go to that 4,000? That is the question. Just had your best day of the month? Let's go, AI. Let's hold on to it. Let's hold on to that win. Sometimes I have to remind myself about just getting trading days in, right? You know, you got to get those 5 to 10 days in, and you just need to lock in those days. They don't always have to be like monster days, so I have to remind myself that. All right, gold's looking good. Up 760 on this trade now. Diamond hands. Gold double bottom sitting right at the open low. Let's go. Do we rug pull it one more time? Hopefully not. All right, just ran some liquidity up there. Looking at the old book mat. Battling up here at the top. Are we gonna run it? Feels like it. Let's run those highs. Run that 4,000. Let's go. Let's touch it. It's so playing games right now, isn't it? Come on, run it. 4,000 on gold. Come on. Up 970 on this trade now. I'm not leaving. Let's get it at 4,000. Come on. Oh man. Are we gonna do it? $3,999.50. Run it. Come on. Thank you, Jose, for the sub. I appreciate it. My boyfriend's mom's basement? That's not nice. Maybe. I'm a PW simp. We just did a moose race. Come on, get up there. Yo, Fiber Splice, what's happening? They have trader rate. Oh, yeah, 3.99 didn't fill. There is a bit of a spread, but yeah, it should have filled. I mean, there is a bit of a spread. No, he's not on the couch. I don't have a couch, Barn Trades. It's a bed. He's on the bed behind me. I mean, I'm not that poor. I have a bed. We're gonna get the rug pull of all rug pulls. If we're gonna get rag tuck dog, yeah, get the rug pull of all rug pull, right? Come on, get up there. Equal highs. Haven't pushed up through it. Come on. Give me 4,000. Massive sell order sitting at 4,000. Yeah. It's gonna do it, guys. It's gonna do it. $104 contracts at 4,000 and building, I imagine. There it is. There it is. What a trade, though, huh? Nice trade. $4,000.1. Nice trade. Let's take a look at that trade. $39.88.6 to 4,000. Woof. Now she's coming down. MGC didn't reach 4,000. That's interesting. Oh, I got it on mine, on my Tradeday. Maybe different. Already up $1,100 on that Tradeday account. Let's go, Sevix. You get those daily payouts, you gotta give me half though. That's the rules. No, I'm just kidding. But thanks guys for tuning in. I really appreciate the support. Use code PINE for all prop firms. Pine with a capital P for Tradeday. Thank you so much for the free account to give away tonight. And Apex, My Funded Futures, all that. Use code PINE. I really appreciate it. Quite happy with that trade. So hopefully we can get this Take Profit Trader Pass soon. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned for the outro. The outro. Alright guys.
Yeah.
See you later.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
5:45 Eastern
Check
time.
the
I'll be back.
strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading
Peace.
machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day. Cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about